To the N12 here, another How to Trigger the Door Alarm series. We are doing the Schindler 330A. Let's. Okay, Routed, you hold the camera this time. You hold the camera, point at the speaker.
Okay.
It looks like they got like. Oh, the sensor's right over here. Very nice. Let's wait until the door alarm goes off. I never heard the door alarm on this one. Normally when someone calls it, or if... Is the door alarm gonna go off yet? Yeah. Wait.
This is gonna take a while, so...
Skip ahead for a bit. Oh! Start recording, it's going off.
I just paused the recording.
There we go, watch the doors. So yep, here's the door alarm on the Schindler. Listen to the epic motor. You want to trigger the door alarm again?
No thanks. I'm tired of door alarms.
Okay then.
It can wait another day.
Yeah.
Tomorrow's Halloween.
Yep. We're filming on October 30th. What's Halloween?
I'm gonna make a video
Yes,
one day.
so that's
So
it.
make sure to watch that. Bye. That's it.